Sadly, my parents are leaving tomorrow. We wanted to cook up a few of our favorite dishes. We have here steak Tagalog, we have Sinigang, we have sisig.
We had today a special mango juice.
And we have another special dish, a dessert, which is a surprise. Very nice. Very nice.
Very nice.
Sisig can be a very sensitive and controversial topic in the Philippines. They use pig's brain to make it creamy. You like that? You like it?
Very good.
Well, it's also a little bit tangy, isn't it?
Yeah, very, very tasty.
Yeah. That's why it's always called ulam, which translates to what goes with the rice. Very nice. You like it? How do you like it, Mom? Good evening, guys. Today is a very special day in our home. Special because Gray is cooking up an absolute storm. You're cooking 3 Filipino dishes today. 4 Filipino. Yes.
Dessert.
There's a 4th dish, a Filipino dessert. Yes. So my parents.
I think you will like that. It
Yeah.
involves mango.
Sadly, my parents are leaving tomorrow. Together with us to go to Boracay. So before we leave for Boracay and we don't have a kitchen anymore, we wanted to cook up a few of our favorite dishes. We have here steak Tagalog, we have Sinigang, we have sisig, and we're gonna sample everything and try it today. I'm very excited because I haven't had Gray's sisig in a very long time, and also the steak Tagalog. You haven't made it in a while, and we have another special dish, a dessert, which is a surprise.
I'll wait tomorrow.
Surprise!
After this lot, you'll have to roll me onto the plane.
We had today a special mango juice. There's a place. Special.
Mango juice or mango shake?
No, it was
Mango something.
dream. It was a mango dream.
Mango
Mango
dream.
juice. You got a big straw, so
Yeah.
you can suck up also pieces of the mango.
That sounds delicious.
Delicious.
Yeah. So there's a mango shop in Boracay, and they have mango ice cream, they have mango shakes, mango juice, mango, all sorts of things.
We arrive at the airport, and then there's a shuttle.
So we have to take a car, an aeroplane, a van, a boat, a van, a tricycle, and a carabao.
Are you serious?
Almost. No, we take a car to the airport, that's one.
Okay.
Then we fly to Boracay. Then we take a car from the airport to the ferry port. Then we take a ferry. Then we take a car from the ferry port on Boracay to the hotel. And then probably the hotel's gonna have a buggy. But first, cheers.
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 Thanks again for everything. Thanks for having us.
Thanks
Thanks
for coming.
all the
Cheers.
cooking you did. And
Cheers, Dad.
cheers.
Mwah.
We never were able to do it with Paul and Nadia.
I take everything but the kitchen sink and I roll me back.
Okay, I'm always very excited for my love Sinigang.
You know,
Yes.
it's less
Shall we
sour
slurp
today.
appreciatively?
It's very nice.
It's
Yes.
less sour today.
Very nice. Very nice.
Very nice. Yeah.
You like sour, don't you?
I do.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is delicious.
Usually it's like, you know, when we had the Korean barbecue
Yeah.
and the soup was sinigang and it was very sour, you remember? That's how we usually make it this time.
And then we have here, this is calamansi with fish sauce, with Filipino fish sauce. So you dip some pork into that, and then,
Good.
try that.
Do you eat that at the same time as you're eating your soup? Or? Oh. It's so good.
I know you would not like that.
Shame.
I don't know, it's difficult to describe. It's sour.
Yeah.
But it's fishy, right?
It's umami. It's very umami.
I like the way he puts it back. That in front of Kathy.
And you're supposed to put calamansi
So, why did you cook this today? Isn't that for tomorrow? Yeah, when I'm going to eat this one, I finish this one.
I can finish that one.
You know, we say what's on the table, you have to finish.
So that sisig can be a very sensitive and controversial topic in the Philippines because every province has a different way to make sisig. And I actually went to the original restaurant, the first restaurant that is known to have made this restaurant in Pampanga.
Recipe.
And instead of mayonnaise and egg like we have it here, they use pig's brain to make it creamy. Okay, next up I'm gonna try the sisig. I know you guys don't really want to see me trying this stuff, but I'm gonna make you watch me eat this sisig. Anyway, 2,000 people close the video. Very nice, love.
I want to try it.
It's got a nice bite to it, a little bit of spice, very creamy, very succulent. A succulent Chinese meal.
Wait, what is the charge? Eating a meal? A succulent Chinese meal?
You enjoy the sisig?
Yes,
Not too
very
spicy?
nice. No, this is perfect.
Nice. You like that? What does it remind you of?
Something I make?
Do you like that or the sisig?
They cook good.
I'm just giving the bistec Tagalog a try. Yes. Mom, where's the rice?
Well, you were filming me, so I thought I'd bring it on with them.
Actually, I'm live streaming.
You're not really.
No.
I can't eat when people are watching me.
Good.
Very good.
You like it?
Very good.
Well, it's also a little bit tangy, isn't it?
Yeah, very, very tasty.
Yeah.
And like you said, a little bit
That's why you need
like the
rice.
steak and onions.
Yeah.
That's why you
That's why you
always
need the
need
rice.
rice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Otherwise it would be too overpowering.
Exactly.
That's why it's always called ulam, which translates to what goes with the rice. Yeah.
Everything.
Do you cook that one in a special sauce?
Peter, you're going to roll me onto the plane tomorrow. Thank you.
You like it?
Very good.
Very. You like it? How do you like it, Mom?
It's delicious.
It's sweet. It has a bit of chew to it. It's creamy. So lovely. It's like it's like eating a little mango cloud. It is so much fun having my parents around, having them try all these Filipino dishes that I got so excited about over the past few years traveling around the Philippines. And it's so cute seeing them kind of get a little bit shy on camera, trying the different foods and reacting to it. But I think they really are enjoying their time so far and their first experiences here in Manila. And the trip is only going to get better and better as we progress to the next destination. The first stop is going to be Boracay, as I mentioned on earlier in today's vlog. But before that, we do still have 1 or 2 vlogs here from the city of Manila, including my parents seeing my coffee shop for the very first time. I'm very excited to share that whole experience with you guys, share that moment of them seeing the business that I built here in the Philippines, and also showing them places that I love to go to in Manila, my favorite spots in the city, my favorite spots to hang out, my favorite spots to eat, my favorite spots to grab coffee. It is such a nice experience also for me because oftentimes my parents will see on the videos where I go and they'll see it when we do FaceTime calls or video calls, but to actually have them here and showing them all of these things while they're here is such a unique experience, so great. And I really have been waiting for this for a very long time. If you haven't seen the vlog yet, where my parents actually arrive in the Philippines and I pick them up in Manila, it'll be linked in the description box down below and it'll pop up right here, so definitely check that out.
How are you feeling, love? How are you feeling? I'm nervous too.
And I'm just super pumped for the next few weeks of traveling around the Philippines, also because it's a lot of destinations that I haven't been to for a very long time. So traveling to El Nido, for example, I haven't been in El Nido since long before the pandemic, so that's going to be very, very exciting for me as well, doing the island hopping and all that fun stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.